This has been our weekends with my 6 cats here at home. They just had their early dinner and now they are relaxing. This is Tuta, the cutie one. She's always like that. She's staring like she don't know anything. And there it goes. I catch the yawning of Luthio. Luthio, he's a handsome boy. Tuta again. Hi, Tuta. And this one is Booba, the naughty boy. And this is Ash Ash. She's the oldest among them. And this is my black cat, Chaka, sleepy boy. No, she's a girl. I'm sorry. And then we're searching for Coco. And there it is, Lucho again. Hi, Luch. And then there is Coco. Coco, she's always like that. She loves to be isolated. She doesn't want to be with others. She hates them. Not actually hate, but she doesn't want to be with them. That's all my cats. This is our weekend. Thank you.